Are you happy?
Ready?
It doesn't look really bright.
Happy
Oh, the
birthday
lighting should be down there.
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, take that over.
What is this? Is that your fire truck? Oh, wow.
What?
You do?
What a special cake. Oh my goodness, who made you that?
Mommy do it.
Wow, what a great mommy you have.
Mommy will cut it, okay?
I want the pie.
You want the candies?
What do you think? Oh, candies. Mm.
Okay. Mommy will cut some off and you can have the candies on that part, okay?
Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna cut you this nice tall piece. Look, a cookie on the side as well. Careful. You're gonna have it.
Here's your
Listen.
piece. Look at. 1, 2, 3, 4 candies
That's
on
a
your piece.
big piece. Does he want
Oh.
ice cream? Oops. Okay. I wasn't gonna cut everybody's maybe that big.
No, that's.
Okay. Everyone else can have some things too. Okay.
9, 8, 9.
Okay. I'm gonna move it over a little bit.
So that it doesn't
Does he
tempt.
want some of it?
Oh.
Happy
You want some
birthday.
ice cream? Yeah, we didn't even finish
Say
saying.
happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nathaniel. Happy birthday to you. Do you want some ice cream? Oh, now you're blowing. Want some ice cream? No?
Oh, thank you.
Never
Oh.
mind.